Hello, welcome to Inavate TV. Many thanks for joining us. I'm joined today by Ivan from Adam Hall. Welcome, Ivan.
Hi, Paul. Thank you for the invitation.
No problem. One of the interesting bits of news in recent times was that you guys are launching the Adam Hall Integrated Systems vertical. I just wondered if you could explain the reasons for launching that. Was it maybe in response to feedback from buyers, or maybe just simply a desire to offer more service to your customers?
Sure. Well, definitely, I would say maybe both. Because first of all, we know that Adam Hall has an extremely strong heritage in what is the live event technology. So this is where it all started for us. But we have been in actually developing products for the AV market for a number of years, because there was this increasingly high demand from our customers for, let's say, more reliable, user-friendly products in this sector. And since the AV side of the business is just continuing to flourish, it was just a normal, natural step for us to create what we say a dedicated department for the integrated system with its own staff, because we just want to serve this important market in the best possible way that we can.
Sure. Do you, the integrated systems vertical, do you think it's there simply to give advice on buying decisions, things like, we think you should choose this microphone rather than this one, or does it go further than that?
Well, it starts definitely there, but it goes also further. That's the idea. First of all, we just wanted to make it as a resource for the AV professionals. So the idea is that either consultants or integrators or even end users, that they can easily find or specify a product or products that they need for their projects. Of course, we know that Adam Hall, there are many brands that belong to the Adam Hall, and all of these brands develop products that are used in the installation market. So all these installation-friendly products, let's call them like that, should be brought under one roof, and application experts like myself should be there to offer expert advice, give support at every stage of the project. So starting from tendering to system design, even through to training and commissioning. So this is basically the idea behind Adam Hall Integrated System.
Yeah, it's been a really interesting move, I think, from distributors across EMEA, really, to kind of look to add so much more value than maybe they used to 10 years ago. It's a really interesting move. Changing tack for the last question, Ivan. Software is becoming a huge part of the pro audio world. They used to just make big black boxes that sounded great. Now it's kind of moving way beyond that. QUESTRA from LD Systems, which is one of your brands, was launched at MIC recently. I just wanted to talk through what's the reaction been so far to it, and why was it important for Adam Hall to launch a software of this type?
Sure. Of course, QUESTRA is a really important product for us. And for those that still don't know what QUESTRA is, just a brief explanation. So it's a platform which is used for planning, designing, and configuring audio systems. You can create audio systems of any size and control all the devices from a single application. QUESTRA also includes a powerful editor to create custom remote control panels, which can be operated from Windows computers or Android or iOS portable devices. Now, we know that IP networking revolutionized AV when it appeared, and it brought with itself also maybe some consequences that audio is becoming more difficult to configure and control. So even for a small audio system of network devices, it's required from the engineer to use many applications at the same time, like the switch setup, the Dante controller, DSP programming, control system configuration, amplifier configuration, etc. And what's more, there is no intelligence between any of these applications. So no knowledge of information is passed between any of these programs. Also, audio system configurations and management in the network world is sometimes slow. It's prone to error and just problematic. So QUESTRA was designed as a platform that should change all of that. And this is where we are heading with QUESTRA. And the feedback has been really great so far. So it's being used worldwide. We just finished a huge project in Spain using 15 EPA amplifiers and 8 QTP panels, and everything is controlled and configured with QUESTRA. So it's developing in a very, very good way. We're very happy.
Brilliant. It's great for us to hear companies that we think maybe are traditionally kind of do one thing, kind of branching out and doing more. And it certainly seems like Adam Hall is one of those, with, you know, the integrated systems and the QUESTRA as well, this kind of software arm as well. Ivan, many thanks for your time. It's been really interesting.
Thank you, Paul. Thanks once again.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.